Here I have an iPhone 12, and the problem is the buttons don't work. So some glue or some juice got in on the side buttons and they're not clicking. So the power button does click. You can see that that's working good. But the buttons on this side are like hard as rock. So I'm going to be trying to use some isopropyl alcohol here. And what that does is it acts like a solvent. I'm going to just try to brush the button. Okay. Let's try to get this to work here. Yeah, the buttons are okay. And we can change the volume just in the settings here. Let me see here. So the volume buttons are still seem to not be working. So let's try to do a software update here. So the phone's up to date, so it's not a software issue, it's probably hardware. Hey Siri, turn off the phone. It's restarting. So the volume's going up and down, working like a charm. So that's how to fix your power buttons, your volume buttons. So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times. And this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And Over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.